So do you want to know how to put links in your banner on your YouTube channel? I'm going to show you how, coming right up. Having banner links on your YouTube channel is a really important tool to take advantage of. And the first one of those, you actually can also include the text that turns up on that banner. So don't just waste that. Take advantage of that text and actually have something which is encouraging your viewers to come onto your email list. So don't just link to your website, link to a specific page where you're giving them the chance to have something of yours for free so they can come onto your email list. So go onto your YouTube channel, and these are the banner links that you either want to amend or you want to put on for the first time. So where do you find these? If you go into your About tab, you'll see at the bottom, these are your links. So how do you edit that? You go into your channel, customized channel tab. And then once you're in there, I'd already clicked on About, so that's why it's turns up straight on this page. So you come down, here are all my links. So you want to click that pencil icon in the top right hand corner. And this is where you simply put the URLs and then the name of what that destination is. So it's this very first one that is the link which has the text that is shown on screen. Use this for a lead magnet. Choose that text here carefully, something which is hopefully going to entice your viewers, and have that link take your viewers somewhere where you can try and get them onto your email list as a business owner, that where you ultimately want to start nurturing your audience and building them up to a sell. And that's it. So if I take you onto mine, lead magnet that I'm using currently, hate seeing photos of myself. There we are, that's the one here. And in fact, there's a video shortly to come up on this page. But before putting videos into your sales funnel, I always think it's a good idea to let it run for a little bit first, so that you know that that it's working, and that way you're not wasting the time and effort that it takes to create videos. So you're testing it before you add your video on. So that's it. That's all you do, and then you click done, and you are done. And then you can go back to my channel and see how it looks in reality, and there you are. And there you have it. So now you can make sure that the links on your banner in your YouTube channel are really working for you and are looking fantastic and giving opportunity to your visitors to go and check you out. What are you linking to? Which opt-in are you using, or which lead magnet are you going to put in your first opt-in, in your first channel link on your banner? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to check that out. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to give me the thumbs up and maybe share this video too. See you next time. Bye.